G'day everyone, in this video here we're going to be looking at finding a sample space for events with replacement. So this just means that if you have one event, the exact same options are available for the next event. So we'll get into this. We got two identical counters, have a red side and a blue side. They are each tossed. So we essentially have the toss 1 of the red and the blue counter and the toss 2 of the red and the blue counter. Okay, and draw a table out to list the sample space. So this is what I've done. I've sort of drawn out this two-way table and set it up. So we've got toss 1, you have the option of red or blue, and then you've got toss 2, the option of red or blue. So now we just need to break this down into all the different options we can get. So for this first one, we've got red and red is the first option here. Our second one, and just writing toss 1 first, so this is blue and red. So down here where we're looking at red for toss 1 and then blue for toss 2, and then we've got blue for toss 1 and blue for toss 2. So with this we can now have a look at our sample space, because it does say in this to list our sample space. Okay, so our sample space is just all the different things that can happen here. So just take note that these two are actually different, okay? Because it might say blue and red, but the other one says red and blue, and they're actually the other way around. So we'll get onto this and write this out. So we've got red, red that can happen, and we also have blue, red. We also have red then blue, and then finally we have blue and blue. So that's our sample space as denoted by those brackets there. Okay, so now we need to try and work out some probabilities. So in this question here in part B, find the probability of obtaining blue and blue. So just remember, probability is equal to our amount over total. So the probability something is going to be blue and blue. So we need to look at how many times this can happen, which hopefully we realize is just the once in that bottom right hand corner. It's the one option there. And then how many in total? How many options do we have in total? So our sample space, we've got 4 options. So our total is 4. So the probability of blue, blue is a quarter. So now we just need to have a look at what the probability of one red side. So the probability that we've got one red side. So we just need to count up all the ones that have at least one red side. Oh, I accidentally got rid of the wrong line there. I'll just do this in this color here. So just got to go through. It has to have one red side. So this counts out the first one in the top left corner because they're both red. So this one here and this one here both have one red side. Okay, the other one's got 2 and the other one has none. So this is equal to 2 out of 4. Which simplifies down to 1/2. So this is how we can actually use a two-way table or a two-step experiment and show these graphically. And yeah, hopefully this helps, and good luck.